Alright, what I have here is some soap dough, and I have extruder. This is Makin's brand. It's traditionally used for polymer clay, and I'm going to include a link to it in the description. And what I'm doing is that I'm just rolling this soap dough into a log that will be skinny enough to fit in here. Okay, there we go. So now here I have my flower template, which is what I'm going to be using. So this is the plate, I guess, that will give it the shape of the flower, and I'm putting it on this ring, and then this other piece is kind of like the adapter, so I'm going to screw it in. And then this part goes on the actual extruder. Okay, so now I'm going to rotate the opposite way so that it extrudes the soap dough out of it. And it's beginning to come out, I can see it. In a nice lavender shape. So I'm going to keep doing this until the whole thing comes out. Now this, to me, it reminds me of Spanish churros or Mexican churros, but it's not. Okay, I've reached the end, so now I'm just going to cut it and then straighten it, and that's what it's gonna look like.